We are starting the demo video of how to interface the USB serial cable with the PC. The first step will be to connect the cable to the trainer kit and then connect the USB cable to the PC or the laptop. Then you have to make sure that the drivers are installed. For that, the procedure is very simple. You just have to go device driver and install the softwares which we have provided in the CD. After doing that, you need to have hyperterminal in your computer. For right now, we already have installed hyperterminal and we have provided you folder wise hyperterminal made setup in the CD or the pen drive. So for the 8086 kit, the model 8609, we have this folder 8609 which will be opened by hyperterminal. We will open it. We'll press cancel. Yes. Okay. It will ask for a COM port. We'll go to this. First we will check the COM port. Like this is right now it is selecting COM9. It can select other ports also. And then you have to verify for the settings. You have to go to VT100, line delay 20, character delay 20, force incoming data, wrap lines that exceed terminal width, emulation ANSIW. And other than that, you have to go to configure, data bit rate 4800, data bit 8, parity odd, stop bit 2 and flow control none. Once these things are established, you have to go and press call. As soon as the connection is established, it will show connected. And now you have to return to the kit. You first have to press enter. After enter, you have to press G. In G, you have, with the help of the cursor, press right so that your cursor is pointing to the left hand side. You have to write F000, then F003. After then doing that, press enter. Now there are two modes, in and out, which can be selected by pressing F7. By in, we are taking data from PC to our trainer kit, and by selecting out, we are flushing data from trainer kit to the PC. The first we'll do is in. For in, we will use the cursors again. There is these cursors, and here we will go for right 0. We'll take the cursor to the right using the cursor key, press enter. Then you will go to transfer, send text file. There the basic program which we have given for the best purpose is 8255 all. Now as soon as we have pressed the 8255 all, it will start transferring the program, and once the transfer is stopped, it will stop immediately. Then you have to press reset button, press enter, press G and press enter. You can see a faint sound coming from the buzzer. This is basically the output of the program. Then you have to press reset again. So this was the program there for transferring from PC to trainer kit. Now we will go start the process of from trainer kit to PC. If you want to send any program from the trainer kit to the PC, press enter, press G. After pressing G, F000, F003, press enter. Now press F7. In F7, use the cursor keys, reach on this side, write 0. This will be our starting address of data being transferred from PC, from kit to PC, and this will be the ending address. Now, before pressing enter, I am moving my display to the screen. Now I am pressing enter. As soon as I have pressed enter, it has flushed all the data from the trainer kit to the PC. And if you want to save the program which you have sent, you can just go capture text. You can go to browse. You can select any location. Let us say 1.txt. We can press save. We can press start. Now we have to follow the procedure again. We'll press F7 twice. 0400 is the starting address. 0500, 0550 we can also choose that. Now as soon as I press enter, the data here has moved from 400 to 550 and the data has been transferred here. Then you go to transfer, capture text and stop. Now what we have done is we have transferred the program from our trainer kit to PC. Now this is the program which can be transferred again from PC to trainer kit. So these are the two main methods of input and output with the use of the cable.